Hi, my first project. It is a chat application in which you can send messages to your friends at a instant. You can search for your friends and send message. Basically, Socket IO is integrated, and that's why instant messages is going. It's sending the messages stored on the database. All messages will be stored on the database. The application is protected by authentication system using cookies and at backend, etc. So don't worry about that. And here is the source code of application. All code is available on a GitHub, my GitHub account. Link is available in the video description. You can see and check that out. If there is any mistake, you can tell me in comment section. And it is a e-commerce website protected with authentication system using Passport.js. You can log in or sign up with your Google account. You can see all types of products they are available. Basically, it is coming from an API. Random API is used for back data. You can add to cart items, remove from cart, and later you can check out. Later you can check out using your card. Stripe.js is working in the backend. And here is the source code of application. It is also available on GitHub. You can see it and check it out. If there is any optimization or mistake, you can tell me. And this is a note taking application. Basically, this front application uh, working on a thread create view and delete. You can add note with a image tag, title, message, and later you can edit it and delete it. Your website is secured with passport yes, authentication system. You can log in with your Google account. here is how you can edit your notes. Let's see, and later you can delete it. That's it is coming from database.